Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the Universal TV Remote app and granting permissions so the app can find and control devices. Once done, make sure your phone supports an IR blaster or the TV and phone share the same Wi-Fi network. This determines connection method. Tap Add Device or start pairing immediately to begin discovery. The app will scan. This quick step tells you whether the connection will use infrared, Bluetooth, or network control, which matters for responsiveness and available features. You now pair and configure controls. Select your TV brand or choose Auto Detect. The app cycles through code sets so you don't guess. Test core buttons, power, volume, input, and mark which ones respond. If a button fails, switch to learning mode and point the original remote at your phone to record that IR signal. This builds a custom command. Once several buttons work, organize them on screen for faster access, because a clean layout reduces fumbling during viewing. Finish by saving the device profile and naming it clearly so you can switch TVs later. Assign favorite buttons or create a macro for multi-step actions like switching inputs and launching apps. Add a widget or voice shortcut for one-tap control and export a backup to the cloud to avoid repeating setup. If something stops working, restart the app, repair the device, or switch connection mode. Use Wi-Fi when IR is unreliable. This single tip often fixes intermittent command failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.